Okay, final score 55-64. Winner by 11 points. By 9 points rather, the Sky Team. Sky Team winner po tayo. Win number 3 already be picked up na by Sky Team. Sino? Idol. Okay, Royal Royal. Dalawa. Sabay na kayo. Okay, Riol and Jawadi. Congratulations. We have an interview also. 2 minutes interview lang.
Thank you.
Okay, first of all, Riol and Jawadi, congratulations. I think you bounced back already again from the previous game also. And any word po? Any word, sir?
I'm joining it now. This is the first game that I'm joining it now.
Because you got moves also, huh? You got moves, huh?
Yeah. I tried. It's been a long time.
Yeah.
Now we're back on the winning streak.
It will come back in due time also. Okay, Riol, how about you?
Yun nga, pagod kami. Wala kami pang
Kung wala rin yung mga player nyo. So, buti na ako yung buti. Buti yung yan, no? He came also.
You really will help me.
You know, so, wait, you miss all the related service like yung Mr. Bailey. Buti si Ente, pumunta dyan, si Billy, wala, may naka-duty si Billy. Pero sinatrapal yung company rin.
It was a whole team effort.
Yeah, so that's the main thing also. And also, they managed to give you a lead, but I think you crawled back to save to get the ball game also. Yes.
Keeping the mistakes to minimum.
Yes,
The
of course.
rebounds. Making every shot count.
Yeah. Okay. Before we go, what to expect now for the Sky Team's final the next game of Sky Team? The next game of Sky Team.
Nothing but wins.
Yes, of course.
Also, we're hoping for complete players.
Yeah, oy, complete players daw. Calling all Sky Team, where na you?
Please, guys, show up.
Okay, now, okay, we finished. Okay, 1 minute shout out your friends, your families. Mr. Jawadi first. Greet your families and friends. Okay.
Shout out to my family and friends and my colleagues.
Okay,
and
good.
Also, Mr. Mike.
Mike, okay, Mike, the state
Always
team leader.
coming up with the good vibes. Always.
Okay, thank you po. Okay, Mr. Riol, ikaw, Riol.
Wala sa asawa ko
Oh.
Pinas. Tapos yung mga tropa.
Ay, tropa yan.
Sa mga katrabaho ko.
Yun. Okay, yan po. Okay. Winner muli po tayo. Congratulations, the Sky Team.